Hey, coffee enthusiasts and smoothie aficionados. Welcome to a journey where your morning pick-me-up meets your favorite fruity blends. Today we're diving into the captivating world of coffee-infused smoothies. I promise you, it's a taste adventure you don't want to miss. Let's kick things off with our first creation, the Mocha Madness smoothie. See other coffee-infused smoothie recipes listed in the video description below. A delightful blend of chilled coffee, banana, Greek yogurt, cocoa powder, and a touch of honey. Trust me, it's like having your morning coffee and breakfast in one delicious sip. From the refreshing caramel cold brew Bliss to the antioxidant-packed berry buzz delight, we've got a smoothie for every palate. And the best part? They're all ridiculously easy to make. Now imagine waking up to these beauties, a feast for the senses, a treat for your body, and the possibilities are endless. Visit liquidfood.net for more smoothie information. If you're as intrigued as I am, and you want more of these incredible recipes and blending tips, head over to liquidfood.net as your go-to source for all things liquid food. So, my fellow flavor explorers, the journey awaits. Discover the joy of coffee-infused smoothies and make every sip an experience. Don't forget to visit liquidfood.net for more recipes, tips, and blending inspiration. Until next time, blend on and savor the magic.